luggage claim. So yan, Davao na tayo. Ito yung luggage claim. Siyan muna tayo. So, abot na ka sa Davao. Muna yung sugat sa imo dire. Davao diversity is our beauty. Life is here in Davao. Philippines, welcome to Davao. Ito ang waiting area. Okay tayo itong biyahe sa Natay Sundot pa rin. Traffic. Thank you. Sabot din.
Loy, pagdali Loy.
Yung Davao International Airport. So naka-chance tayo na maka-video dito. At saka naka-walking tayo. So ito yung pasok. Ito yung entrance pa airport. Ayan. So di masyado ngayon maraming pasahero kasi mahal ang mga ticket. Kaya kita hindi masyado busy ang daan. So galing tayo dito. So dito tayo punta. Yan dyan sa unahan. Pero dito tayo sa airport. So ito yun siya. Ito yung entrance. Ayan ang yung entrance dito. Ayan. Yeah. May mga walking, may mga pathway naman sila dito. Covered pathway. Sama na ang coming. So dito tayo. Yan. Ito yung drop off. Tsaka dito yung parking. Dito tayo dadaan. Yan. Ito yung mga parking dito. So ito yung landmark dito. Yung Dorian. Yan o. May sunset pa dito. Sa may lions dyan o. Tsaka ito yung parking area. May nakapila ng mga taxi dito. May pasalubong center pala dito. Yan. Pasalubong center. May kainan dyan. So, may mga taxi na habang may aeroplano siguro arrival ngayon dito. So, ito yung area ng mga new arrival. Ito yung pasahero dito. Saka ito yung waiting area. Welcome to Davao City. Dami rin mga pasahero at saka mga naghihintay. Royal area. City Davao Airport ticketing. So dito tayo. Dami din mga pasahero naghihintay. So ito yung Davao International Airport. So nakarating na tayo dito. hindi masyado maraming nakapila ng mga pasahero. Yun yung arrival at saka departure. Ito yung mga taxi naka-abang para sa pasahero. May mga pasahero din na darating. Yung may mata din. Davao International Airport. Ayan. Saka may kwanto rin dito. Mga souvenir. So, pauwi na tayo. Yan. So, yung pandyan, yung exit din sa sasakyan. Ayan din. May mga pasahero pa dito na naghihintay. Diyan yung kibuloy na aqua structure. So, ganito dito sa Davao International Airport. Ayan. So, dito tayo. Daan. Lakad lang tayo pa labas. Ayan. May mga security din at saka mga police dito nakakaabang. Kaya secured naman siya. Mga entrance ng mga sasakyan. So ito yung entrance at saka exit ng airport. Ayan o. So ito na yung Buhangin Highway pa downtown at saka pa exit ng city. So dito natin makikita yung mga busy street na kasi may mga public transport saka private transport. So ito yung Davao International Airport. Ito yung exit. Saka ito yung entrance. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa may ticketing area ng airport. So, ito yung bandito. Dami na rin fly out. Iba-ibang destination. Maganda na rin siya. Compare dati, hindi na siya masyado crowded. Siguro sobrang mahal ng pamasahe ngayon. Kaya ito. Okay. So, pataas tayo. Punta tayo sa taas. Yung runway ng Davao International Airport. So, ilan lang yung mga aeroplano dito. Hello. May isa ng it's either pababa or departure. Yung aeroplano papuntang Cebu. Naghintay tayo ng flight pa Cebu. So may dito tayo sa Davao International Airport. So nakita natin yung isang sa mga aeroplano ng Cebu Pacific. Ayan. So ito yung runway. Ito yung gangway. So napakaganda din. May isang Philippine Airlines doon. Marami ding mga pasahero naghihintay dito sa airport. Dami din. Yan yung mga pasahero dito. Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines Flight PR2816 bound for Manila is now boarding at Gate Lounge number 5. Please give way to our priority passengers from the Brunei Lounge. Business class compartment passengers is not calling the attention of all passengers of Philippine Airlines at flight PR2364 bound for Pampang, Cebu. Our pre-departure gate has been changed. Our weekly assignment will now be boarding at Gate Lounge number 4. Once again, to all passengers of Philippine Airlines of flight PR2364 bound for Pampang, Cebu, our pre-departure gate has been changed.
So we are now boarding. Marami ng mga pasahero. So finally naka-boarding na tayo. So ito na itong pa natin. Hintay na yung aeroplano doon. Tsaka ito yung runway dito sa Davao International Airport. Layo pa. Airport team. You have to walk it.
Gaya na siguro sir, mag-formal ba?
eroplano na sasakyan namin.
The Heart of the Filipino welcomes you on board BR22364 bound for Cebu. Our pilot command is Captain Mark Anthony Cavili, and this is your lead cabin crew, Charmaine. Our estimated flying time is approximately an hour. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Havilland Canada -8400 Next Generation. Your full attention to your cabin people on and front. Please fasten your seatbelt details. Together, tighten pull loosen the strap to loosen tilt buckle and fold and fasten lift double buckle, pull free and to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seat. On a water diving, remove sharp objects from your body, slip mask to your head. Take tape around your waist, push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply to inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, go into mount tubes. Push inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate once the battery is immersed in water. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest to you. These exits may be behind you. Fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are found in the fire extinguisher bottles. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pockets in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat belts in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open and your tray table stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, by this time your cabin crew shall be passing through the aisle to check your compliance to safety. Please push your bags forward to clear the seat in front of you and to switch your devices to flight mode. Thank you. The time for convenience is 5 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning, and the date today is April 13, 2026. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched on. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins or your items, as these may have shifted during the flight. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff, who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Samuel Sullivan, together with First Officer A.C. Rosan, your cabin crew at the back, Nicole, this is Mel. We thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Dating na tayo. Ito yung runway. Ito yung aeroplano sinakyan natin. Mga pasahero. Dito tayo. Init. Sige pa dyan. Tayo. Tank ba doon? Init. Ito yung banda ito. Ito runway. Yung mga pasahero doon. Nandito tayo. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Davao Airport. Ito yung makikita mo dito. Ito yung luggage claim. Wala tayong luggage ngayon kaya dire-diretso na tayo. natin yung iba, mga pasahero. Ito yung luggage. Ito yung kita dito. Mati na tayo sa Davao. Ito yung pinaka exit nila. Ito baka punta ng exit. Kita natin ito. Davao is diversified. Davao is here. Wala namang price dito. Ito yung mga luggage claim natin. Ito yung mga pasero galing Cebu. Mga pasahero. Diretso na tayo. Wala naman tayong luggage dito. Convention pala dito. May 1 to 3. Welcome to Legage Nights of Columbus. So, ito yung pinakalabas ng Davao Airport. Welcome to Davao City. Ito yung highway dito. So, diretso na tayo. Kasi wala naman tayong luggage. Ito yung mga empleyado. Tsaka ito yung parking area. Dito. So, ito yung airport dito. Yung sa labas ng airport. Yung mga pasahero dito. May mga local tourists. May mga naghihintay na mga pasahero dyan. Tapos na yung bakasyon natin. So ito yung
Once again, we are calling the attention of Philippine Airlines passengers who is highly moving. You are allowed. We apologize at this lounge number 5.
ito yung Davao International Airport. Paalis tayo papuntang Cebu. At saka overnight tayo sa Cebu.
We are calling the attention of Philippine Airlines passengers to the party of Amelia Rose Bondbay. Miss Amelia Rose Bondbay, you are allowed. Kindly apologize at Philippine Airlines check-in counter.
Ito yung pa natin. Nakita natin dito. Naka-check-in na tayo. So, pasok na tayo pa gate 5. So, ito yung Davao International Airport or Bangoy International Airport. So, paalis na tayo. Balik na naman sa tapos na yung bakasyon natin. So, sis makita natin itong airport ng Davao. Papunta tayo ng Cebu. So, ito yung Davao International Airport. Sa loob ng International Airport. Yan. So, ito yung departure at saka arrival area. Ito yung mga pasahero dito sa loob ng Davao International Airport. Sa gate 5 tayo. Mamaya pa tayong flight natin. So, pasal muna tayo dito. Makita tayo kilala. So, ang daming pasahero. Meron pa Cebu, pa Manila. Saka international.
Please note that each guest is permitted to carry only 2 pieces of power banks. Charging using a power bank is strictly prohibited on board all air Asian flights. Please keep the power bank with your person or in your seat pocket and do not place foot on a cabin overhead compartment. If you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact any of our staff.
Thank you for waiting Philippine Airlines Flight PR 106.
So, ito yung pinakadulo ng airport. Dito lang tayo.
Kindly check your boarding pass for your group member and please have your individual boarding pass and physical valid ID ready for scanning at the boarding gate. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J4760 bound for Puerto Princesa, Palawan is now inviting guests under boarding group number 1. Union of board aircraft through gate number 7. This boarding group includes premium seats, senior citizens, pregnant mothers, guests traveling with children 4 years and below, guests needing special assistance, and guests seated in the emergency exit row. If you are not part of boarding group number 1, please remain seated.
So, ito yung daming pasahero ngayon.
Philippine Airlines Flight PR 1806 bound for Manila is now boarding at gate launch number 5. Please have your individual boarding pass together with your valid ID ready for presentation at the gate and for inspection by a traffic cop on boarding the aircraft. Economy passengers, please check the group letters on your boarding pass. Next with the border passengers with group letters B, E, and F. Again, economy passengers with group letters B, E, and F. Please board now. For the rest of the passengers, please stand by and wait for your group letters to be called. Power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. They must be turned off and disconnected from all devices while on board. Damaged, defective, fake or record power banks and batteries are strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation.
Our flight tonight is currently full and we only have limited space in the overhead compartment. For passengers' convenience and a seamless boarding process, we are calling for volunteers or those who are willing to check in their cabin bags free of charge. We therefore schedule this group one stop in front of group number 3. Thank you.
Inside the cabin. The maximum weight shall be 7 kilograms and shall not exceed in 56 by 26 by 23 centimeter in dimension. Passengers carrying more than the piece weight and size will be charged with great damage fee. Should you need your assistance, please approach any of the ground route. Thank you and stand by for the first boarding announcement. In addition to our passengers of Martin Jose Desky Martin Jose, Kenner Du, passenger 2 Kenner, Shane Dumogi, Umagi Shane. If you are around, please acknowledge us at gate lounge number 5. Metro Guidance, passenger Yama Clark to passenger Yama Clark.
Boarding na sila.
To the party of Rosas Janet, to the party of Rosas Janet. If you were around, please apply the circuit number 5.
Daming tao.
Next passenger, the passenger Abdullah Hala Abdullah, the passenger Edwina Jorani, Johanna Edwina, the passenger Regansha Clive Regansha, the passenger Rona Claude Luaba, the passenger Brasas Janet Brasas, the passenger Brasas Ruel Brasas, The passenger Gracias John Roy Gracias, Kilo Road is about Chesapeake Branch number 5. We are calling all remaining guests from Cebu Pacific, Flight 5J978 bound for Manila. If you are around, kindly board your aircraft now for gate number 6. All aboard, please. Flight 5J978 bound for Manila to Mr. Vito Zainodin, to Ms. Hamalaon Reynida, to Mr. Lee Wensu, to Mr. Magnifico Drexel, to Ms. Magnifico Lightcell, to Ms. Magnifico Sapera, to Ms. Noria Bonilla, to Ms. Saladanas Virgin, to Mr. Santillana Rolando, to Ms. Santillana Shari, to Ms. Villanueva Island, and to Mr. Vital Dante, you are around and where the NAFO gate number 6. All aboard, please. Manila, to Ms. Nawi Abdulia, to Ms. Nawi Abdulia, and to Ms. Villanueva Island, to Ms. Villanueva Island, if you are around, Carnival of NAFO gate number 6. This is your last and final word for boarding. All aboard, please.
Yung boarding plane ko. So, palis na tayo. Palis na tayo. Ito yung aeroplano sa sasakyan natin. 7:20. Kabuti hindi na umulan. Dami rin pasahero kasi nandito pila. Balis na tayo.